In this lesson, we will delve deeper into the mechanics of accounting and introduce some fundamental tools and concepts like T accounts, debits and credits, trial balance, and financial statements. The chapter will begin with a detailed discussion on how to determine balances of T accounts and how to present the fundamental accounting equation using T account form, labeling the plus and minus sides as well as the debit and credit sides. You will also learn how to record business transactions involving changes in asset, liability, owner's equity, revenue, and expense accounts directly within T accounts for a service business rather than using column form like we did in the last module. This will give you a practical experience in recording and organizing financial information using T accounts. The chapter will also cover how to prepare a trial balance, which is a summary of all the balances in those T accounts. You will learn how to use the trial balance to ensure that debits and credits are in balance and to detect any errors in recording transactions. Furthermore, the chapter will introduce you to the three primary financial statements: the income statement, the statement of owner's equity, and the balance sheet, in that order. It's very important that you understand, in that order. You will learn how to prepare these financial statements using the information from the T accounts and the trial balance. Lastly, the chapter will discuss how errors can impact account balances and how to recognize the effects of errors in those account balances.